In this video we are going to show you how we can set icons next to the shipping methods in WooCommerce. For this we are going to use this plugin, shipping method dropdown for WooCommerce. Once we have installed this shipping method dropdown plugin, you can go to WooCommerce settings and shipping days style. Over there you can select either radio button or button style. It depends upon you. Now after that you need to enable this option. This will be disabled by default. You need to enable this option so you can see the system name of the shipping methods. So once you have enabled this, you can go to your checkout page. You should be logged in as an admin. While going to the checkout page, you will be able to see the system names, and you need to copy the system name. Copy this system name, come here and click on add icon, insert the system name. Now upload the icon that you want. We have already uploaded the icons, so we will just select them. You will be uploading them and save it. Now once we will save this, now you can check the out page. You can see the icon is available. Likewise, you can add for the other shipping method. For example, for this, see. So once you have added the icons, you can disable this option, so the system names will not be shown. And even if you don't disable it, you do not have to worry, because this will only be visible to the admin. So for finding out this name, you should go to the checkout page with yourself logged in as an admin. You can see the names have gone away now as we have disabled this option. So names has gone, only the icons have remaining.